Hello friends, I'm glad to welcome you on this channel. And in this video I will tell you, as well as show you how you can very easily and quickly disable or on the contrary, enable the wallet application on your iPhone. Please, friends, write your comments, be sure to put your likes and subscribe to our channel. And let's get on with our topic, friends. And if the wallet app, you have it on your desktop, but you don't need it or it's in your way, I'm going to show you how you can turn it off very easily. To do this, go to the phone settings on your iPhone and then select the screen time section. Scroll through and go to this option here. Now go to Allow App and Features. And here you will be able to find Wallet, and to disable it, click on the button opposite it. If you have a password set on your phone, enter it. And now you can go back to your iPhone work screen. You'll have to wait literally a few seconds for the app to disappear, as you just saw. This happened on my screen. And even if you try to find this app through the iPhone's search bar, you won't be able to find it. You'll have to go to Settings first to activate it. And then it'll show up on your screen again. In order to enable such an app, you will also need to go to your phone settings, screen time, and so on. And now just opposite the wallet app, tap on the button to activate it. And also wait just a few seconds for this app to reappear on your work screen. Friends, in this simple and quick way, you can very easily enable or disable Wallet app on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.